Take a slow breath. Can you feel it? The soft morning air. The gentle sunlight through the trees. This is a morning that speaks. A morning that tells you everything around you is alive. The wind, the birds, even the silence between them. Today we walk with two friends, Leo and Mia. And of course, their horse, Sunny. Their English lesson doesn't come from a book. It comes from nature itself. Leo, morning, Mia. How are you today? Mia, I'm good. The air feels amazing. Fresh air always wakes me up. Leo, nature's coffee, right? Mia, exactly. And it's free. Leo, you know, every time we walk here, I feel lighter. Mia, that's what fresh air does. It clears your mind and your heart. Leo, maybe that's why our English gets better too. Mia, yeah, maybe nature's also a teacher. Did you hear that? They use some beautiful English phrases, simple yet powerful. Let's learn them together. The first one was, fresh air always wakes me up. Repeat after me. Fresh air always wakes me up. It means that clean, cool air gives you energy. It wakes your body and your spirit. Take a deep breath now. Can you feel it? That's what the phrase means. Now the second one, nature's coffee. That's a creative way to say that nature gives you energy, just like coffee does. You can use it in daily life. For example, a morning walk is my coffee. Sunshine is my coffee. Or even laughter is my coffee. When you speak English with feeling, every sentence becomes art. Mia, you know, Leo, the birds sound like music today. Leo, yeah, maybe this is nature's playlist. Mia, you and your imagination again. Leo, I can't help it. The air here makes me think in English. Mia, then let's stay here all day. When Leo said, the air makes me think in English, he said something really deep. Because when you relax, your brain opens. You stop studying the language and start feeling it. That's how real learning happens. So remember, sometimes you don't need a classroom. You just need a calm heart, a bit of fresh air, and a curious mind. Leo, hey, look, Mia. Sunny's ears are twitching again. Mia, he probably understands us by now. Leo, yeah, maybe he's learning English too. Nay means hello, right? Leo, exactly. Horse Language 101. Even laughter teaches something. Language isn't only grammar. It's connection. It's sound and tone and emotion. When Leo and Mia laugh, they're learning the music of English. Let's learn another phrase. Maybe nature's also a teacher. That means we can learn from everything. From people, yes, but also from trees, wind, and silence. Repeat it slowly with me. Nature is the best teacher. Say it again. Feel the calm. Notice how the words sound like a breeze. Now, close your eyes for a moment. Breathe in, breathe out. This is your first real English practice, because learning is not only about speaking. It's about listening and feeling the rhythm of words. Every word you learn is a step forward. Every sound you notice is a part of your story. And every time you smile while learning, you grow. Mia, Leo, do you ever think words have colors? Leo, maybe. I think fresh feels green like the grass. Mia, yeah, and morning feels golden. Leo, coffee feels brown and warm. Mia, then English must be blue, calm, like the sky. Leo, smiles. Let's paint our English with colors today. That's a beautiful way to think. When you connect words to feelings, you never forget them. So next time you say, fresh air always wakes me up, remember Leo, Mia, and Sunny walking under the morning sun, breathing, smiling, and learning. Tomorrow, they'll play a listening game. They'll discover how even a simple word can carry the sound of the wind. So don't forget to come back tomorrow and keep walking this path of language and friendship. Because English isn't just a subject, it's a journey. And every sunrise brings a new word to learn.